Ta-da! This I'm so excited for. I didn't even, this is one of those things is I didn't even know I wanted it till I saw it. This is from Art Supply Warehouse. And they sent me an email. I'm on their mailing list. And they said, oh, look at this that we have. And I'm like, oh my God, I have to have it. So indulgent. But I love it. Yuko Higuchi Holbein toolbox. So what did I do? I just took the knife. I love the illustration that this artist does. And I love tins. And it's just so cool. It's got a little apple on top. And a little kitty. He's kitty. And it's got little kitties and flowers. Numbers and stuff. And inside is gouache. And more kitties. Well, it's the same kitty. It's this kitty. Around and around, and then there's a little flower at the bottom and an apple tree on the bottom. And I get all this gouache that I like. Now, there were a couple of different options. You could get it the same tin with smaller with 5 milliliter tubes, but I figured these are the ones I generally use. So, and it comes with the specific set. You can't choose which colors you get, but it's a variety of colors, and you know I'll use them. Except this one. I forgot to tell you the colors that came in this. So light green, ultramarine blue, titanium white, deep yellow, jet black, burnt sienna, scarlet, lemon yellow, viridian, violet, sky blue, and carmine, whatever it is. I just love this tin. Oh, it's so cute. Acrylic wash container. All right, I can't get any more because nothing else will fit in here. But I love this tin, so it was worth it. That's so silly, but I just love it. So I thought I would do a painting on here to celebrate the beautifulness of this, the beauty of this. Nice tin. So I wanted to show you, this is my other one. I think I've shown this before. This is one I got with an order I got. I ordered something at Blick and this came with it or something, and this is little kitty. And that's the inside. And then there's little kitties and bunnies all around it, and a little bird on the bottom. And then this I got just recently. I think I got this from Blick too. Kitties. So cute. Just a little sketchbook. But I'm petrified to use it because it's such a cute little bug. And I want to ruin it. So anyway, now I've got a second one. I love it. So I drew up something real quick, and I thought I'd paint that now with these. So. that's it. I just wanted to try all the colors, and that's what I came up with. I'm working from actually a weird little puzzle thing. I wanted to do stripes and different designs, but I didn't think I had it in me to do today. So that was that. Something fun for me. And anyway, so yeah, if you wanted to get one, they do have a this one cost about 90, I think, and then the next one down was like 70, and it was the ones with the 5 ounce or the 5 milliliters in it. But I got them at what was it again? Art Supply Warehouse. It's out of California. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.